Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class on types of solar collectors under the course Renewable Energy Resources. Course code being 216652. Myself, Dwarkanath SK, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SJVIT, Bangalore. So, welcome to today's session on types of solar collectors which are available. So, solar collectors, which they are the devices which collects the sun's radiation and uses it to generate heat, either for cooking food or heating the water or generating the electricity. So solar collectors, they are not new. So they have been used since 18th century as solar ovens and to generate steam and generate the electricity part of it. So in the pic you can see the top here solar panels being placed over here to generate. This is for heating water. So type of solar collectors which are available can be listed out as flat plate collectors, evacuated tube based collectors, line focus collectors, point focus or parabolic dish collectors. So let us discuss in detail. So just briefing, flat plate collector, they are the most simple and common type of solar collectors that anyone can see in their particular areas. So these are basically metal boxes with a dark colored absorber plate and have the transparent glazing cover on the top of it. Second one being evacuated tube collector. You'll be finding out that there will be an entire fleet of evacuated tubes needed to raise the temperature of that of water, which is used for the heating purpose. Line focus collectors, better known as a parabolic trough or line focus solar collector, used with the same principle of heating the water or air that collects that all other collectors do. So collecting the heat on an absorber plate and then transferring it to the water that's to be heated. Point focus or parabolic dish collectors. The point focus collectors, they are also large parabolic shaped devices that are fabricated with a highly reflective materials. So individually we will study all these things. So flat plate collector, you can see the surface over here, which consisting of inlet connection and this is the outlet connection. Glazing material, that is usually glass, which is placed on the top of it. We are having an enclosure, flow tubes, absorber plates over here, and this is the insulation material being placed. So this diagram depicts the flat plate solar collector. These collectors, they are simple metal boxes, some sort of transparent glazing cover on top of it, dark colored absorber plate inside. The sides and bottoms of the collectors are usually covered with the insulation to minimizes the heat losses to other parts of it. So solar radiation just passes through the transparent glazing material and it hits the absorber plate. So this plate it heats us up and transferring the heat to either the water or the air that is being between the held between the glazing and the absorber plate. Sometimes these absorber plates they are painted with a special coating designed to absorb and retain the heat better for the traditional black plate. These plates are usually made up of metal that is of good conductor. Default it is either copper or aluminum. Moving to evacuated plates, you can see the pics over here. So glazing material, evacuated tubes, and the arrangement is like this. Outer glass tube, absorber plates, inner glass tube, fluid tubes inside of it, copper sheets, and evacuated glass plate. This is my inlet and this is my outlet. These are the reflective plates. The working principle remains the same. The focused line collector here you can see over here. So this is my reflecting surface and rays which is falling on the solar collectors. The water inlet pipes and this is my outlet pipes. Heated water is getting circulated over here. Moving on to the focus point collector. So this is my reflecting point over here. So they are large parabolic devices composed of some reflective material that focuses the sun energy into a single point. So this particular point I am talking about. The heat from these collectors they are generally used for drive the Stirling engines, although very effective at the collector side. They are usually to track the suns across the sky to be of any particular value. These dishes can be used work alone or to combine in an array to gather even for more energy from the sun. So point focus collectors and similar apparatus that can be used to utilize the concentrated solar energy for use with the concentrated photovoltaic system. So in this case, instead of producing the heat, the sun's energy is being converted directly into electricity with the high efficiency photovoltaic cells designed specifically to harness the concentrated solar energy. So commercial based solar collectors, so renewable energy which can be done. So this can be used for it. So where we will be getting high performance versatile use of installations and rugged field test collectors. So concluding, so solar collectors, they are heat exchanging devices that traps the sunlight from the various heat applications. So different collectors are available in the market, so cheap to the complicated structure. So based on the major influencing factors, required output, ongoing season, intended applications, you can easily choose one from the available type of solar connectors, which is ideally for the requirement. So thanks for watching this particular video. Do subscribe to our department channel for more lively updates. Any queries with respect to today's video, you can write down at workanath@sabt.edu.in. So thanks for watching the video.